Wash your hands to prevent transferring dirt and oil to your glasses. Rinse your glasses under a gentle stream of lukewarm water. Apply a small drop of mild lotion-free dish soap to each lens. Rub the soap gently onto both sides of the lenses and frame for about 30 seconds. Be sure to clean the nose pads, earpieces, and hinges. Rinse the soap off your glasses thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth to dry your glasses completely. Be sure to gently buff the lenses to remove any streaks. Do not use hot water, paper towels, tissues, or harsh chemicals. If heavily soiled, use a pre-moistened eyeglass cleaning wipe before washing. Store your glasses in a clean, protective case when not wearing them. Take your glasses to your eye doctor for a professional cleaning and inspection once a year. To keep your glasses in good condition, store them in a clean, hard-shell case when not in use. Avoid placing your glasses face down to prevent scratches on the lenses. Clean your glasses daily using a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth to maintain clarity. Do not use harsh chemicals like ammonia or bleach to clean your glasses. It's important to get your glasses adjusted regularly by an eye doctor or optician. Consider getting a lens coating to protect your glasses from scratches and glare. Handle your glasses gently and avoid bending the frame or wearing them on your head. Avoid leaving your glasses in hot or cold places to prevent damage to the lenses and frame.